Yes, now. So, good morning, everyone. Uh, we are going to start with the test, that is revision test of lesson number 2. That is the last revision test of lesson number 2, revision test 3. Clear? Revision test 3. So, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, is my screen visible? 5 questions are there. 1 to 5 questions are there. 3 are of objective type, and 2 fourth and fifth is the short question answers. So you can start the work in your rough notebook, right? Start writing the answers in your rough notebook. It's almost 11:30. You can start your revision test in your rough notebook. Start writing only the answers. And tomorrow be prepared for the civics lesson number 2 for revision test. This is the history lesson 2 last revision test. The rest whole part I'm including in this. On 12th will be the full course, full half yearly course. Hridyansh, on 12th of October will be full half yearly course revision test. Just now I'm giving you in the parts. And that time on 12th of October, full course, whatever is coming in half yearly and in the form of Google form and all, you have to submit the same way as you will submit in the half yearly exam. At that, in that way, I'm going to take on 12th. Now start. First question is, Dash was appointed by Soviet under the leadership of Leon Trotsky. Good. Gunjan has already completed the test. We'll wait for the others also now. Still time is there. Good. Harshita has also completed. We'll wait. Still wait for others to complete the test. Trisha also completed. Good. Anam present. Good. Now this is the third test I have given. You can write down the answers, Anam, in the rough notebook. Still 10 minutes are there. Yes, completed the test. Those who have completed the test, please type completed in the chat box so that I can know how many of you have completed. Yes, Trisha. Nishika, you also have completed now. Gunjan, Trisha, Arshita, they have completed. Nishika, you also? Okay. Gauranshi, Chinmay, Anam, be quick, Aditya. Okay, fine. Now we are going to time out now. I'm going to discuss the question answers. Before starting our discussion, again reminding you that on 12th of October, I have asked you for the half yearly full course exam test, I think. And then the same way, the same process, how you are going to give in half yearly, the same process you have to upload, you have to take the pics, make PDF of the answer sheet, and then upload it on the link I will provide you. And the time I'm going to give you in the group afterwards. Clear? And for tomorrow, prepare lesson number 2 of civics. Now the first question is, Dash was appointed by the Soviet under. Wait, let me unmute you. Or okay, now Dash was appointed by the Soviet under the leadership of Leon Trotsky. Who will give the answer for this? Yes, Dash was appointed by Soviet under leadership of Leon Trotsky. Who was appointed?
Lenin.
That was a revolutionary committee. Military Revolutionary Committee. Military Revolutionary Committee was appointed by Soviet under the leadership of Leon Trotsky. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Now match the column with A, column A to B. Now first is for A, Labour Party. Labour Party was where?
England.
England. Very good. Socialist Party.
France.
Socialist Party.
France, ma'am.
Germany.
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 Clear? C, that is Social Democratic Party. Social Democratic Party was of Russia,
Russia.
and
Russia.
Bolshevik Party was of last
England. France.
remaining France.
France.
Okay, clear this match the column. Now on
Yes, ma'am.
27th of February 1917, soldiers and striking
Ma'am,
workers.
Petrograd, Soviet.
Ma'am, Petrograd, Soviet.
Petrograd, Soviet.
Very good, very good. Give one mark to Petrograd Soviet. Those who have written Petrograd Soviet. Marks you give it accordingly. I am means whatever I have distribution. I have made the distribution of the marks accordingly. You give the marks. How many correction answers you are getting. Now discuss the civil war that took place in Russia after October Revolution and its
Ma'am, may I?
consequence. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Trisha. Ma'am,
Okay.
the
Good.
whites, also called pro-Tsarist, and the
Hmm.
green, socialist revolutionaries,
Revolutionaries. Yes.
fought a civil war
Hmm.
with Bolshevik troops during
Very
1918 and 1919.
good.
Whites were also supported by Americans, British,
Hmm.
French, and Japanese troops.
Good.
Bolshevik support non-Russian nationalists and Jaldids tried to control the power. In Central Asia, Bolshevik kills local nationalists in the name of socialism.
Yes. 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 Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am.
These things will be included only. Clear? That greens, about greens, that are socialist revolutionaries, then whites, pro-czarist, those who were in favor of emperor and controlled most of the Russian Empire, and they were supported by French, American, British, and Japanese troops who wanted to control the growth of socialism in Europe. Then there was also, you also have to write down this, that there was the mass looting, banditry, and famine during the Civil War. Clear? Then whites took harsh steps on peasants, which made them unpopular. Then Bolsheviks also gained support from non-Russian nationalist Muslim jihadists, which helped them to control most of the former Russian. And then consequences, you can write on consequences also I've given. In consequences, that Bolsheviks were quite unpopular because of this. Then non-Russian nationalists were given political autonomy also. Political autonomy means right to govern themselves. Then nomadism was harshly discouraged due to this. And then Bolsheviks failed to win over the different nationalities. Clear? These were the consequences. And in special notes, I have given you this. Next year, critically examine Stalin's collectivization program.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I'm Trisha.
Okay.
Ma'am, the Communist Party was forcing all the peasants to cultivate in collective France from 1929. Peasants worked on land, and the profit of collective farms was shared among them. And ma'am, the peasants who opposed the collectivization were destroyed. Thus, between
severely-
1929.
Excuse me, they were severely punished. Means those who
Yes, ma'am.
resisted the collectivization, they were severely punished. Yes.
And ma'am, many were deported
Very
and
good.
exiled. Ma'am, between 1929 to 1931, the number of cattle were also decreased by 1/3.
Yes.
And due to bad harvest in 1930 to 1933, it was the most devastating famine in
Very
Soviet history,
good.
from which 4 million people died.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Is it clear, everybody? This was the Stalin's collectivization program. So you have to write down all these things. Next, you explain the global influence of Russian Revolution and the USSR. You have to write down the global influence.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Anybody? You just speak out the name, the one who has not
Ma'am, I
answered
am
yet.
Harshita.
Okay, fine. Harshita.
Ma'am, me. Harshita.
Ma'am, me also.
Okay, first Harshita, then Goranshi, okay? Both of you will
Okay,
speak
ma'am.
out. Okay.
Ma'am, first point, the Socialist Party of Europe, that tiny, did not entirely agree with and appreciate what the Bolsheviks were doing in Russia. Communist parties were formed in many countries. For example, Communist Party of Britain. Third point, but the Bolsheviks were an inspiration to many workers in many countries.
Yes.
Foreigners received education in the USSR's universities of the workers of the East.
Yes, yes. Yes, good. Next, Goranshi, you want to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Goranshi.
It made Bolshevik quite unpopular. Non-Russian nationalists were given political autonomy, i.e. right to govern themselves. Nomadism was harshly
Wait,
discouraged.
excuse me, Goranshi. Yeah, which answer you are giving?
Ma'am, what the Harshita is telling the little bit more of it.
You have to give the global influence of Russian Revolution and the USSR. You are giving this? Harshita has given this only.
Amidst the civil war, Bolshevik created Soviet Union, USSR in December 1922.
That was the consequence, beta. The civil war, consequences of civil war. You are speaking about the consequences of civil war. And the last question, we were on last question, what Harshita has answered just now. Global influence. In this, you have to write down the socialist parties of Europe of that time did not entirely agree with the or appreciate what the Bolsheviks were doing in Russia. Then Bolsheviks were an inspiration to many workers across the world. Then Communist Party was also formed in many countries like Communist Party of Great Britain. These types of the style of government in USSR was not according to the ideals of socialism. It had made
Unless
great progress in industrially and agriculturally, but it had denied essential freedoms to the citizens. So these type of global influence was there of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. Clear? That was the last topic of the lesson number 2.
less than 1 minute is remaining, can we write present?